Hi friends, hope everybody is doing very well. So today I'm going to show you very simple method to calculate IDMT for the relay protection. So as you know that to calculate we use this formula. So for the method I'm going to show you, you don't need to use all this formula, so which I made it very easier for you guys. So I have built one custom calculator which can measure all the values. Let me show you that calculator. Where is that one? There we go. This is the calculator. As you can see, there's a calculator. So let me show you. So I have some example. I have this relay setting, if you can see. So first of all, we have here relay pickup current time. So which is this is 0.78 ampere, and here we have a fault current which is we're going to inject in the relay 1.558, and here we have a TMS. The one you see TMS is 0.16 second. So as per our calculation, by using this formula we should be having a 1.65 second. So let me make it bigger. So what you have to do, you just click it here on the calculate and plot, and as you know that we are going to check for the standard inverse. If we click this one, as you can see, as expected, we calculated those values is 1.608. Let me show you. You see this expected operating time for the relay on this fault current. So as we can see, it gives us this value, and not only value, we have here nice curved plotting also. So let's change the standard inverse to and very inverse and see if the value changes. You see, here we go. You see the time is changing. If we go for extreme inverse, you see the plot is changing as well. And if we go for long term inverse, and you can see excuse me, now it's being become 19. So let's go for standard one. So this is the term. You see, this is the value we have, and we can save this this curve graph. So what you have to do, download plus as a PNG. Click here. As we can see, we can download it, and for the reporting purposes. After that, I have one more value, one more example. This is actually first stage of line fault current. Let me go second stage. So second stage, the pickup will be same for the relay setting, and TMS will be same definitely, and we are going to increase fault current 3 to 3.6, and we should be having a 0.7 second. So let's change this value 3.6. 3.6. Okay, and we should have 0.7 second. Let's click calculate and plot. As we can see, the tripping time is 0.721, and it has also drawn this graphical view of the curve. You see, you can scroll this one over the mouse, and you can see this all the values. This is a time, tripping time, and this is a fault current. So because we have injected 3.6, you see, as we can see, and that's a tripping time 0.72. Yeah. So let's go for another example, which I have a first stage of earth fault, and as you know that we are using this formula, but I have built already this formula in the custom. So here we have fault current, we have here 0.48, and the current setting for the relay is 0.24, and our time multiplier is 0.12 second. 0.12 second, sorry, 0.12. Okay, and our inverse, sorry, curve is standard inverse. Okay, and we should be having time 1.21 tripping time. So let's go make it bigger and hit calculate and plot. As we can see, as expected, it is 1.2 second. So here we have, and we have nice graphical curve. So guys, this is a very useful calculator. I'm gonna put this calculator link in the video description, and I'm gonna give you the link also to download this one so you can use. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching.